Okay, so for this one, we're given the last term and we need to calculate the sum. And here you get this series over here, and you know that you have the last term because there's a dot 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 and plus, and then you've got a last term inserted there. Okay, so for this one we're going to need to use that other formula, okay, the one that's got the A and the L in it. So I'm going to have this one. Okay, and I'm going to just write down everything I've got and what I need. So I've got SN and N and A and L. SN, okay, that's what I've got to calculate. N, I don't have N. Okay, problem. A I've got is 21 and L I have as 255. So what do we do now? Okay, what gets complicated here is you feel like you're using the right formula, which you are, but you're missing information. Okay, so what is last term? What does last term mean? It means it's the nth term. Okay, so this is the nth term, which means it is Tn, which means now, which is going to happen a lot more in this section, you've got to go back and use the Tn formula. Okay, so let's do a quick calculation with that one, and then we'll be able to get n. Okay, so just a reminder, Tn is A plus n minus 1d. Okay, and what is the last term here, the Tn? It's the 255. Do I have A? Yes. It's my 21. Okay. I don't have the n. That's what I'm trying to calculate. Okay. N minus 1, and my difference I can work out from here. Okay. I didn't need it in this formula, but I do need it for this one. Okay, so obviously I'm going up in 2's every time, so my difference is 2. Okay, subtracting the 21 on this side, I'm getting to 234. And then I'm going to distribute that in, so I've got 2n minus 2. Going to add the 2 onto that side and get to 236 equals 2n. And now I'll be able to solve for n. So n's 118. Okay. Now I can go back to this calculation and I can use it. Okay, so n is no longer a question mark. N is now 118. Now I could have shown this to you by saying immediately you're going to have to do this calculation, but I'd rather show you what happens in real time. Like I know what I'm supposed to do and I get stuck, and then I need to use another resource, okay, which is this other formula that you've been using since probably grade 9. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is clear this, and then we'll work with what we've got here. Okay, so now subbing back into the formula with my new information from my Tn, I've got Sn equals 118 over 2, and then I've got my 21 plus my 255. Okay, and again plug and play into calculator. I get out 16284.